All right, guys, here we go. 2018 Stadium Club Baseball 4-box break number 1. Going through the team owners. Arizona Revs, Atlanta Kostler, Baltimore D-Jack, Boston Shell, Cubs Scotty D, Chicago J-Dog, Reds Spears, Indians Felix, Rockies Revs, Detroit Craig P, Astros Shell, KC Johnny, Angels Gare Bear number 2, Dodgers Jonathan J, Marlins Una, Milwaukee Archie, Minnesota Stamir, Mets Caputo, Yankees Revs, Oakland Brad H, Phillies Kevin, Pittsburgh Revs, Padres Stamir, Giants Kintaro, Mariners Evgeny, Cardinals Gannon, Tampa Bay Una, Texas Stamir, and of course the Blue Jays Penzito, and Nationals going to Shell. They have that Darius Grice guy, Shell. That's a good one. I can't believe that they even sat there that long. Here, go this way. Blue Jays are the best. Penzito. 4 boxes. 20. Doesn't exist. Number 8 does. Number 6 does. $19 does not. 11 does. 15 does. And that is it for now. There's the numbers. What is that? 6, 8, 11, 15. Beelzebub. Mamma mia, mamma mia. All right, good luck. Here we go. Pulled some sick autos out of this on my personal boxes. Usually get a couple personals a year. Old Master Sorter pulled a Sandy Koufax on-card auto out of it. I pulled a Mattingly. Here we go. Ohtani-san. Rookie. And we got Felix Jorge, Minnesota. And a rookie of Clint Frazier for the Yankees. Special Forces, Jose Altuve for the Astros. Harrison Bader, rookie for the Cardinals. Some of these tops, sleeves. There we go. And there's a red of Chris Sale for the Red Sox. That is a red parallel. The blacks, I really like the black parallels in this. They're nice. Just try not to miss anything, guys. Red parallel, Cal Ripken Jr., Baltimore. And we got a rookie of Jack Flattery for the Cardinals. He gets compliments all the time, that guy. Over and over. Rookie of Jimmy Sherfy for the Cardinals. D-backs. And we've got Power Zone rookie, Ohtani-san. And this might be... I'll look at the variations too, guys, because something like this might be a variation. I'll make sure. Jackie Robinson, LA Dodgers, like a black and white. I'll make sure to go through and find them if there is variations, top load them, etc. Clint Frazier, rookie red, parallel. Andrew Stevenson, rookie for the Nats. And we got Never Compromise, Manny Machado for Baltimore. Never compromise. No. Shut up. I think he compromised a little bit, though. We got Troy Scribner, rookie for the Angels. And we have a black Zach Godley, black parallel for the D-backs. Rafael Devers, rookie for the Red Sox. Sick. And Garrett Cooper, rookie for the Marlins. Rookie Nicky Delmonico, White Sox. Hey, yo, Delmonico, get over here. We got a red Chris Taylor for the Dodgers. And our first auto. On card, AJ Minter, rookie auto. On card for the Braves. Clean looking cards, aren't they? Super clean looking. I like them. And we got a rookie of Mitch Garver for the Twins. And a rookie of Greg Allen for the Indians. Rookie J.D. Davis, Astros. Ryan McMahon, rookie for the Rockies. We have Special Forces, Bryce Harper, Nationals. He's actually a Navy SEAL, part-time. Old school, Ozzie Smith, Cardinals. Rookie, Anthony Santander for Baltimore. We got another red, Brian Dozier for the Minnesota Twins. Oh, we have one of those special chrome, Miguel Andujar, rookie for the Yankees. Mike Trout. Is that a variation of Trout? I'll make sure to look it up. We have one of those chrome, Stadium Club chromes. I think there's 2 per case. I could be wrong. Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Andujar. Rookie Hosang for the Cubs. We got Power Zone Goldschmidt for the D-backs. Nicky Dubs, rookie for the Phillies. And Robles, or Ozzie Albies, rookie for the Braves. Nice cards, man. Great photography on these, too. We got a rookie, Twins, Zach Granick. Rookie Tyler Mahle for the Reds. And a Beam Team rookie, Rafael Devers, Red Sox. And again, I'll go through every single one of these cards. I'll be sorting them on these ones, not master sorter. And open up the variation checklist and all that good stuff. Red, Byron Buxton, Minnesota. Boy, the Twins have had a lot of parallels. Special Forces, we got Chris Bryant for the Cubs, red. That's a red parallel, Special Forces. I think because he's on SEAL Team 6. We got rookie Sandy Alcantara, Miami. Christian Villanueva, rookie Padres. And we got John Smoltz, Never Compromise for the Braves. Rookie Francisco Mejia, Indians. Rookie Dominic Smith for the Mets. We have a black Hanley Ramirez, Boston Red Sox, black parallel. There we go. And a rookie Tyler Mahle, or Kiri Mella for the Reds. Might have. Rookie Chance Sisco for the Orioles. Alex Mejia, rookie for the Cardinals. And a red parallel of Buster Posey for the Giants. And our next auto, rookie Lucas Sims for the Braves. And the auto is Luis Castillo, on-card auto for the Reds. Oh, these are nice. I love the fact they're nice on card. There we go. Castillo. So it's taken me a while to get through that box, wasn't it? It's just because I don't know the cards well enough. I don't want to miss too much for you guys, even though I'll be resorting it. Black and white, Hank Aaron. Brew. We got a rookie, Eric Fetty for the Nats. And Royals, Cam Gallagher rookie. We got Jackson Stevens rookie for the Cincinnati Reds. And Special Forces, Justin Verlander for the Astros. I hate it when half the pack is turned one way, the cards, and then you get halfway through and they turn it the other way. It's not red. And red, we have Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies. Rookie Ahmed Rosario for the Mets. Victor Caratini for the Cubs rookie. And we have one of these special ones. This is, what do they call it? Members only. Members only. Rookie Christian Villanueva for the Rockies. we go. I think it might be a case hit or a couple per case on that. If I'm not mistaken. You get an Otani one of those. That's sick. Eric Fetty rookie. Cam Gallagher rookie. Power Zone Joey Gallo, Texas Rangers. Power Zone. Members only 92-93 hockey. Braves Luis Gohara rookie. We have a red for the Astros, Josh Reddick. And a rookie of Robles for the Nationals. Rookie of J.P. Crawford for the Phillies. That looks like it'd be a variation. I'll make sure I don't miss any variations, guys. I'll open it up and make sure. Never Compromise, Jose Altuve. Matter of fact, I know I got a Beckett behind me that has it in there. And we got a black. Avisail Garcia. Black parallel for the White Sox. Rookie J.P. Crawford Phillies. We have a red parallel of Robbie Ray for the D-backs. And then we have an on-card auto rookie, Max Fried, or Max Fried, however you say his name. Fried, it looks like to me. For the Atlanta Braves again. Jeez. How many autos the Braves got? 2 autos now. We have one more auto coming in this box. I mean, 2 autos a box, I think it is. Dylan Maples rookie for the Cubs. Austin Hayes rookie, Baltimore. Beam team, Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. And we got Special Forces, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Okay, make sure I keep these away. Nice and neat here, guys. There we go. Rookie, AJ Minter for the Braves. And a red parallel, CC Sabathia for the Yankees. And then we have another one of the case hits. I don't know how many times it comes. Stadium Chrome. Dennis Eckersley for the Oakland A's. Stadium Club Chrome. Big hurt. Power Zone rookie Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. Ricky Henderson, pimpin'. Red Christian Yelich, Milwaukee Brewers red. Oh, we got a red beam team. Sick. Red beam team, Francisco Lindor. For the Indians, Francisco. What you do? Rookie Dustin Fowler for the A's. Rookie Nick, what is that? Nico Goodrum for the Boston Red Sox. Never Compromise, Joey Votto. Vato Loco, Joey. Red, that's red as well. Black and white, Hank Aaron. We have a black Lucas Giolito for the White Sox. Rookie Breivik Alera for the Cardinals. And Nick Goodrum, rookie for the Tigers. And we have a red parallel Zach Davies for the Brewers. Here comes another auto. Nicky Delmonico, rookie auto on card for the White Sox. He's on Caputo's crew. Hey Delmonico, get over here, Nicky Two-Tone. J.D. Davis, rookie Astros. McMahon, rookie for the Rockies. Special Forces, Max Scherzer, Nationals. And we got a rookie of Anthony Santander for the Orioles. We got a red parallel, Trey Turner for the Nationals. Pimp Daddy. And a rookie Miguel Andujar for the Yankees. That one right there was a trout, by the way. I didn't really show it that well. Hosang, rookie for the Cubs. And we have an orange, Chris Sale for the Red Sox. I know those aren't easy to get. Nicky Dubs, rookie. Ozzie Albies, rookie. And Paul Blackburn, rookie, Astros. Wow, this orange is sick. I don't know what they're out of, but I know they're a little harder to get. A lot harder to get. Rookie Tim LaCastro, Dodgers. We've got Aaron Judge, Power Zone. Can he hit the ball? Richard Urena for the Blue Jays. Rupert Ryder Jones, San Francisco Giants rookie. I know, big time. He's a good one too. I remember that Chris Sale one you hit was filthy. Miami Alcantara rookie. Christian Villanueva, rookie for the Padres. We have a red parallel for the Indians, Francisco Lindor. Do you still have that Chris Sale, or did you sell it? Did you sell? Mejia, rookie Indians. Cisco, rookie Baltimore. And then Dominic Smith, rookie for the Mets. Cal Ripken Jr., never compromise. And Curie Mella, rookie for the Reds. Lucas Sim, rookie for the Braves. Alex Mejia, rookie for the Cardinals. Zach Granite, rookie for the Twins. We have a black parallel. Andrelton Simmons for the LA Angels. And another chrome hit. That is Addison Russell for the Cubs. These are awesome. I love these. Pretty cool card stock too. Andrelton Simmons black. Rookie Tyler Mahle for the Reds. And I think we have an... Oh, I thought it was an orange, but it's a red. Thomas Nido rookie. Red for the Mets. And for the Milwaukee Brewers, on-card rookie auto, Brandon Woodruff. His ancestors were the first ones to create shampoo for people that had issues with their hair. I think in 1970 they had to get their last name legally changed due to legality. J.P. Crawford, rookie for the Phillies. Beam Team, Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. Yeah, I think it was 1970 or 71. And we got a rookie, Eric Fetty for the Nats. Cam Gallagher for the Dodgers. Special Forces, LA Dodgers, Cody Bellinger. I've seen some Ohtani-san autos, special ones in this that are pretty insane. Even the non-autos, like the members only. I forgot what they sold for, but it was kind of crazy. We have a red, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. And another Stadium Club Chrome, Jose Barrios, Minnesota Twins. I thought there was only a couple per case, and I guess I'm wrong. It must be a couple per box. Rookie Ahmed Rosario, Victor Carantini, Jackson Stevens rookie. We have the Power Zone, Nelson Cruz for... Who does he play for? Mariners. Rookie Anthony Banda, Tampa. Red Sonny Gray, Yankees. There's a lot of parallels in here. And they're cool cards. The Beam Team cards actually look really cool in person. You'll see when you get them. We got Never Compromise, Carlos Correa. They're not cheap, like stupid inserts. They actually have gloss on them. Good card stock. Luis Gahara, rookie for the Braves. We have a black, nice, for the Angels, Albert Pujols. Nice black parallel. Robles, rookie for the Nationals. All the Robles, all that, they'll get top-loaded, guys, and taken care of. All the red parallels will be top-loaded. And we got a Hoskins rookie red. Sick for the Phillies. Oh, dude. Nothing and nothing. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Filthy, disgusting on-card rookie auto for the Yankees. On-card filth. Gleyber Torres. Holy cow, dude. And I love it that it's on-card, man. Considering what it costs per box, having all these on-card autos is awesome. Hoskins. That is sick. That's very sick. Alright, last box. Good luck. I'm assuming Showcase might be filled by now. Not positive, but... yeah, it's killer. We got rookie Jimmy Sherfy for the D-backs. Special Forces Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers. Regular. Jacob saying, what's up? Look at my hair. Rookie Alcantara for Marlins. Rookie Villanueva for the Padres rookie. And Santander red rookie for the Orioles, Baltimore. The checklist in this is just massive for superstar autos, rookie autos. It is crazy. Francisco Mejia, rookie Indians. Rookie, who is that? Dylan Peters for the Marlins. And we have, this is a special one, isn't it? I don't know, it's got this film thing on it. Photographer's proof. Photo proof. Jim Thome for the Indians. Jim Thome, Cleveland. Good luck getting that card signed. Cisco, Orioles. Mejia, Cardinals. Dominic Smith, Mets. Power Zone, Josh Donaldson, Penzito. And Kerry Mella, rookie. And Lucas Sims, rookie. Ohtani-san. Too bad it wasn't red or black or photographer's proof or something. Clint Frazier, rookie for the Yankees. We got a red Edwin Diaz for the Mariners. And a rookie Mitch Garver, Twins. Rookie Greg Allen for the Indians. Rookie Harrison Bader for the Cardinals. Ohtani-san. Ohtani-san says Tommy John who? I don't think so. Get away from me now. I am Ohtani-san. I do not need surgery. Felix Jorge for the Twins. There's Chris Sale. Typical Shale. Frank Thomas never compromised. Big hurt for the White Sox. Shale and Chris Sale are buddies. And we got a black Breivik Valera for the Cardinals. Black. You see the black border there and the writing is black. Pretty cool. Ohtani-san surgery. What is this? Is this something? No. And we got a red Starlin Castro. Marlins. And here goes an auto rookie, Kerry Mella for the Reds. On card again. Look how nice the cards are. They're glossy. And the autos are, you know, look how clean the auto is on the gloss. I mean, that's... They're super nice. This is... Of course, this product's been popular for a long time, this brand. It's always been one of my favorites. Tim LeCastro for the Dodgers. Beam Team, Mike Trout, nice. Angels. Albies rookie and Blackburn rookie for Oakland, Oaktown. Anthony Banda rookie, Tampa Bay. Special Forces, Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Urena rookie and Ryder Jones rookie for the Giants. And red for the Indians, Carlos Carrasco. Likes Tabasco. And then we got a Stadium Club Chrome. Jim Thome again for the Indians. Sanchez. And we got a Power Zone, Joey Votto. What's up, Votto? And rookie, Zach Granite, Tyler Mahle. And we got a red, Randy Johnson for the Diamondbacks. That's cool. Gotta love the unit. We got J.D. Davis rookie, Ryan McMahon rookie. Never Compromise, Mark McGwire, St. Louis. Power Team, Gary Sanchez black for the Yankees. Wow. A black Power Zone. That's filthy. That's awesome. Rookie Santander for the Orioles. And another black parallel. Yoan Moncada for the White Sox. Nice black Moncada. Miguel Andujar rookie for the Yankees. And we got a rookie, Hosang. We have another auto coming? Yeah, we do. Trout. Rookie, Nicky Dubs for the Phillies. Red. That is Ender Incanarte for the Braves, red. And for the D-backs, rookie on-card auto, Jimmy Sherfy. I'll show some of the autos. 3 Ohtani-sans. Power Zone rookie Ohtani. 2 of these Ohtanis. This is actually, I like this one. I have about 10 of these. Photo proof. Jim Thome for the Indians. And an orange Chris Sale for the Red Sox. And a members only Christian Villanueva for the Padres, which I think Padres were $2, I think. Then the autos. On card, all of them. Jimmy Sherfy. Curry Mella, Reds. Filthiness, Gleyber Torres, Yankees. Brandon Woodruff, Brewers. Nicky Delmonico, White Sox. Max Fried for the Braves. Luis Castillo for the Reds. AJ Minter for the Braves. And then there was just tons of beam teams and inserts, power zones, blacks, reds, Hoskins red, Topps Chrome Stadium, just tons of special forces, more beam team, more chrome, Aaron Judge, red beam team, Lindor, Eckersley chrome. So there's just a ton of rookies and inserts and all that, guys, and all these will be top loaded. And I'll make sure to sort them, and I will open up my Beckett that has all the variations, and I'll make sure I don't miss any of those either, guys. I'll do the sorting on this myself. All right, guys, thank you. Appreciate it. We got all the other stuff still on the site. Not sure where we're at, but we'll get this uploaded and then check it out. Thank you, guys. I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. I still got one box under the desk I gotta get.